In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 digital products that are selling on Etsy right now, and they're doing over $2,600 per month profit. Yes, I said profit, not revenue. So there's a big difference there. And if you think about it, that's like a mortgage payment for a lot of people in a house that's like $300,000 or $400,000. Now, while I was hunting for products that are doing over $2,000 per month, I actually stumbled on other ones that are doing over $10,000. I actually found one that's doing $11,000. That's over $100,000 net per year that someone is making off of this product. So the reason why I'm shooting this video is I want you to see the potential that's out there on just Etsy in digital products, but I also want you to draw inspiration and really start thinking along the lines of how can you create a digital product in your business? So with that being said, let's dig in. All right, so the first product that we're looking at here is the Ultimate Cleaning Business Bundle, and it's a digital download, and it's a 15-page Canva template. And as you see here, they built this in Canva, which is a great idea because everyone is using Canva these days, and people are also searching for this type of product. So let's go ahead and look at the numbers. Now, just so you know, before we get into this, I am going to be using a tool called Everbee, and this tool allows me to look at the data as you're about to see. If after the video you want to give it a try and do a little bit of your own product research, I'll go ahead and link it up in the description, and I'll put it up here on the screen, and you can go ahead and try it for free. So let's go ahead and look at some of the numbers, shall we? So check this out. 202 monthly sales. Its estimated monthly revenue is $3,838. Now, I'm going to show you why that's not actually what they're making. I'm going to show you how to know what they're making here in a second. And 605 total sales, and the listing is only 3 months old. Let's go ahead and see how much they're actually making. So what I'm going to do here is click on this little icon. It's the calculator. And what this does is it tells me exactly what they're netting after fees and after their sales discount, because they are having a discount here, as you can see, for 20% off. So they're selling it for $19, they're giving a 20% off discount, and then here's all the fees that are within Etsy. And if there was shipping, which there's not because it's a digital product, but here we are, the net profit is $13.19. That's an 86.78% net profit margin, which is pretty amazing. So I just take this number, $13.19, and then I multiply it by 202 sales, and then I get the net profit. So as you can see here, my little calculator, $13.19 times 202 monthly sales, and it is netting $2,664.38. And it's from this. It's from selling the Ultimate Cleaning Service Agreement plus bonus 1-page agreement. So what this is for is a cleaning business. Yeah, a cleaning business. So what you can do here is think outside the box. Is there something in your niche, if you're already selling on Etsy, that you can create checklists, templates, contracts, agreements, anything like that? This is a great example of someone doing that, and they're doing very, very well. All right, so moving on to our next digital product that's doing very well, and that is this right here. It's a mega collection of 250 plus fonts. And what they are basically doing is creating their own fonts. And you might be wondering, how would you do this? Well, now with AI, you're able to create your own font styles, and then from there, you can go ahead and resell them. So that's probably what they're doing in this case, but regardless, they're selling 250 plus fonts, and they're selling them right now for $7.65, it looks like, according to this right here. Let's go ahead and see how much they're actually making from selling these fonts. So if we look over here, there's 423 monthly sales. Their estimated monthly revenue is $3,807, and they've sold 3,417 of these in the last 8 months, which is crazy. And now with the click of a button inside of Everbee, I'm able to now look and see what are all the fees after their discount and after what they're paying Etsy. And it looks like they're netting $6.43. Again, 84.05% margin, which is great. So if we take the $6.43 that they're netting and we multiply that by 423, what is the actual net profit per month? $2,719.89. That's pretty good. And like I said before, that's a mortgage payment for a lot of people. All right, the next digital product, this one actually kind of blew me away, and that is balloons, props, and rental template bundles. So this is for someone who does event planning. That's who they are targeting. And well, I'm blown away at the numbers. Let's check these out. It looks like they're selling it for $36.75. That is what they're charging right now. And check this out. It's in 20 plus people's carts, which says there's a lot of demand for this. But let's actually look at the numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and click Analyze Listing, and let's see what the numbers actually are. So they're selling 129 of these per month, generating $15,803, but they're running a discount right now, so they're not actually collecting that. So let's go ahead and pull up the calculator and let's see what their net margin is after the discount and after their fees. Well, it looks like $30.24. Once again, a digital product that is over 80% net profit margin. So let's go ahead and take the $30.24. Let's multiply that by 129 sales in a month. And they're doing $3,900.96 from selling balloons, props, and rental template bundles. I hope you're starting to get ideas of what you can do as far as maybe templates or contracts or things that people can use within their business. This here is eye-opening to me. This is crazy. All right, moving on to the next one. And once again, this is technically for a business. This is for a psychologist or a therapist for ADHD. This is a growth mindset digital planner. Now, I've talked about digital planners in the past, but this is a great way for you to niche it down into a different type of digital planner for a specific niche. In this case, a therapist or a psychologist that is focusing on ADHD. So let's go ahead and run the numbers. So it looks like it's selling for $14.11. It's in 20 plus people's carts. So once again, little side note here, whenever you see that, that's a good sign. That means there's good demand for this type of product. Whoa, 648 estimated monthly sales, generating $14,693 in revenue, although they are running a sale, so that is not the actual revenue. And they have done 8,187 sales to date in 8 months. Let's go ahead and see what they're profiting on this. So after the 40% off discount, after all of the fees, they are netting $12.03 on this digital planner for ADHD. So let's take $12.03. Let's multiply that by 648. And the grand total is $7,795.44 net profit from this type of product. All right, so the next product, once again, is targeting someone who is in business. And in this case, it's real estate agents or real estate people. All right, so real estate social media Instagram bundle. And well, they're charging $33 for this. It's in 20 plus people's carts. Once again, good demand, but they are offering that discount. So let's go ahead and see what kind of numbers this thing is doing. So it looks like 318 estimated monthly sales, but check this out. Total sales, 3,542 in 11 months. All right, now I'm not gonna look at this revenue number because to me, that is not the actual number because they are running a 70% off discount. So let's go ahead and run the calculator and let's see what the actual numbers are. So it looks like after the discount, after all the fees, they're netting $27.10, which is really, really good. But let's go ahead and see what that calculates out as far as what they're generating per month on this digital product. So we have $27.10. We're going to multiply that by 318 sales, and they are doing $8,617.80 in net profit. Now, just for fun, let's go ahead and run the numbers off of their 3,542 sales that they've done in 11 months. So 3,542 sales times $27.10 is $95,988.20, almost $100,000 in 11 months. Mind blown. Crazy, almost $100,000 from this digital product. All right, this next one and the last one of my 6, but I actually got another one I'm going to share with you that's doing even more than this. It's actually doing over $12,000. But this one here, wait till you see this, because again, we're looking at these different businesses or people that are going to be getting into this business. Check this out. The Complete Nursing School Bundle. Now, this is for someone that is going to nursing school to be a nurse. Pretty much all of these digital products that I've just shared with you are going after an industry of someone that is either in the profession or wants to get into the profession. Big takeaway there. Now, this is selling for $85, which is kind of high for a digital product, but you can see if someone's going to be a nurse, $85 is nothing. Because they know after they get into their profession, it's like going to college in a sense of where you're hoping that you're going to be able to get a job in that profession. So $85 isn't that bad. So let's go ahead and run the numbers. So now this has sold 144 in the last month. Now, here's the difference. It hasn't sold 600 like the one I shared with you earlier, but it's selling less, but it's at a higher price point. So this is where you can actually sell less, but make more. So one thing I want to point out here, they're not even running a discount. This is straight up $85, no discounts, obviously no cost of shipping. Here's all of the Etsy fees, and we're left with $76.47, 89.96% net profit margin. So let's take the $76.47, let's multiply that by 144 sales, and they're doing $11,011.68. And if you were to calculate that over a year, that's over $100,000. And that's from the Complete Nursing School Bundle. Now, I want to show you one last example that's actually the best one that I found. And the reason why I wanted to share it at the end is because once you have a bunch of different digital products and you can create a bundle, well, that's where you can actually start to charge more and make more. And this here is a perfect example of someone taking a lot of the items that they've created and creating the ultimate bundle. Because what they're doing here is they're giving you access to everything that they've created for one price. Check it out. So here in the Doodle Letters store, they create different letters that allow you to use these in Canva with an image as a background. But what they've done is they've taken all of these and they created one ultimate bundle. And as you can see, they're selling it for $97 and there's 20 plus people that have it in their carts. So there's definitely demand here. Let's go ahead and run the numbers. Holy moly, 158 sales for a $97 product. Let's go ahead and see what the net profit is. So looking at the Etsy profit calculator through Everbee, you can see they are charging $388. They're giving a 75% off discount. Now, here's the fees. So total fees are $18.40, but they're making $78.60, which is an 81% net profit margin. So let's go ahead and see what the total number is that they're putting in their pocket each and every month. So we take the $78.60, we multiply that by 158, and they are making $12,418.80. And that is net profit. And just for fun, I wanted to see what they've made so far in the last 9 months. And so I'm going to take $78.60. We're going to multiply that by $14.91. And they have made $117,192.60. Now, the cool thing about this is their bundle, but they have all of the products that are in the bundle selling individually, which they're making sales every single month as well. So this is just from the ultimate bundle. So as you can see, there is a ton of potential for selling digital products on Etsy. And as you can also tell, I'm pretty obsessed with doing product research. And that's why I shot this video right here that shows you 12 more digital products selling on Etsy right now, making $3,000 plus per month. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.